Turning yourself in for a warrant, what you need to know. When you are thinking about turning yourself in for a warrant, consider the following things. What type of warrant is out for your arrest? What kinds of things do you need to be able to handle it appropriately? How much will it cost to clear, and is there bail set? What kind of assistance will you need? Our bail house is near both Placer County Jail and South Placer Jail. We are experts in affordable bail bonds, arrests, and warrants, and are able to help answer any of your important questions. We will be there for you with 24/7 bail bonds if you need one quickly in order to avoid unnecessary jail time. Turning yourself in for a warrant, questions to consider. Number 1. What are you being charged with? If there's a warrant out for your arrest, it should specify what charges have been brought against you. Number 2. What type of warrant is out for your arrest? While there are several different types of warrants, two are most common: bench warrants and cost warrants. Bench warrants are usually issued when a defendant fails to appear for their court date, or when there is probable cause that either a crime has been committed or new charges have been added. Whether or not the judge decides to set a bail amount on the bench warrant is up to him or her, but it's always a good idea to consult with a lawyer to determine the best course of action. A cost warrant, on the other hand, is generally more about money that you owe to the legal system. It could be due to unpaid fines or tickets. Depending on the location, some courts will allow you to simply come in on your own to pay the fine all at once or set up a more convenient payment plan. In other areas, you may have to pledge cash bail or have a bondsman post bail for you to ensure that you will return for a future court date. Number 3. What kinds of things will you need to prepare? Whether or not you need an attorney depends on what you are being charged with. If you are charged with a misdemeanor or a felony, the court may require you have a lawyer. They can help establish and protect your rights, advise you, and represent you throughout the process. If you are simply going into a municipal or city court, you always have the right to an attorney if you so desire, but are not necessarily required to have one. If you require a public defender, depending on your financial situation, one can usually be appointed. Simply fill out an application to request a public defender to assist you and prove that you have financial need. Number 4. Can you post bail or do you have to wait in jail to clear your warrant? Turning yourself in for a warrant may help you in the long run, and you may be allowed to post bail rather than waiting in jail for your trial date. If you are unable to afford to pay cash bail and do not have a friend or family member who is willing to do so for you, our bail bondsman, Frank Calabretta's Bail House, can help. Number 5. Do you have to show up at court after turning yourself in for a warrant? Remember, it is always very important to show up to your court date. Once a bail bondsman has posted bail for you, the court system only returns the bail money, minus a small processing fee, when you successfully appear at court. If you have a warrant out for your arrest, you can start the process of turning yourself in and taking care of bail immediately. 24/7 bail bonds near Placer County Jail and South Placer Jail. 24/7 bail bonds are easy to obtain because we are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on weekends and holidays. Contact Frank Calabretta's Bail House in Roseville, CA anytime by calling 916-782-7048.